Organization of extra and co-curricular activities. Presented Cashless Chandigarh, a play which was presented at Parade Ground function on Republic. Organized Mindspark 4 and Inter-School program, Beti Bachao function in which DPI Shri Rubinderjeet Singh was present, conducted inter-school GK quiz on Dadra and Nagar Haveli, organized by Education Department UT Chandigarh. Conducted inter-school GK quiz in the presence of Nobel laureate Shri Kailash Satyarthi ji and MP Srimati Kiran Kher ji and Education Secretary Shri BL Sharma ji. Parliamentary committee visited the school and watched and appreciated the e-content prepared. Organized training about teachers' handbook on assessment tools based on learning outcomes for all elementary teachers in the subject of mathematics. I participated in launch of awareness program of Phoenix project on learning outcomes at UT. Conducted a quiz on child rights and POCSO Act organized by Chandigarh Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Organized Independence Day functions and Day functions and Gandhi Jayanti each and every year throughout my career. Prepared a patriotic dance for independence program, organized Republic Day program at GHS 50. This was a play on Mahatma Gandhi. I had prepared. This was patriotic dance prepared by me and presented in front of the school students on 26 Jan 2019. Organized Republic Day function on 26 Jan 2020. Inter-school GK quiz written exam on Dadra and Nagar Haveli. This was organized by Education Department. I prepared my own Bhangra team of school and myself gave Bhangra training to the students of the school. Presented it in the school function in which Dr. Kashish Mittal IAS was the chief. Conducted a quiz on general awareness at GMSSS 35 on 11 Feb 2019. This was organized by Education Department Chandigarh in the presence of DSC sir and DO ma'am. I wrote some maths boliyan in Punjabi and prepared a Punjabi Gidda on mathematics. Through Punjabi boliyan, students learnt various concepts of mathematics. The Gidda was enjoyed by one and all. Prepared a play on Save Trees, was presented in the presence of Education Secretary and Shri Santosh Kumar IFS. Introduction about Mindspark Inter-School GK Quiz program to DPI sir. Prepared an English play Snow White, which was widely appreciated by all the teachers and parents of the students. A tree plantation drive to motivate students to preserve environment. I developed maths lab in my school in which more than 60 maths model for the benefit of students of primary and secondary classes have been made. Contributed in organization of science. Carried out tree plantation during one week celebrations. Celebrated International Literacy Day by holding special session in assembly. Organized CII Nanni Chha Tree Plantation Week. Special activity on Mother's Day by making students stand and forming the word Ma. Organized rallies to aware the general public as well as students. Presented a play on environment conservation to motivate students. Conducted painting competition addressing students in morning assembly about the right to vote during 2014 MP elections. Formed Vatsal Peace Club in my school in which the message of unity and brotherhood was sent to students. There have been many activities that our club has conducted. Every year I bring candles from my own home and motivate my staff to celebrate Martyrdom Day on 23rd of March every year. Every year we celebrate it. Conducted a maths mela and Government Girl Model Senior Secondary School Sector 20. This was organized by Education Department. Organized a special session in morning assembly on developing scientific temper behind superstitions and miracles. Pot making and decoration, science exhibition, educational play, organized Christmas function, Organized a special talk on the values of Swami Vivekanand by Bharat Vikas, Christmas in school, cultural feat organized by Education Secretary Shri V.K. feat organized by DO Office, Yak Dance was presented at Rose Festival, Chandigarh, in which students had acted as Yak. Pledged to students in morning assemblies on occasions. Many quizzes I have organized in the assembly. Painting competition organized by Indian Federation. Maths and science exhibition held at SCRT 32 motivated my students to take part and make maths models. Arrangement for PM's talks with students on Express. Online admission process explained. Presented a group song on the occasion of annual function of coordinated painting competitions. Prepared my student every year for science and maths exhibition that takes place at SC 32 Chandigarh. Participated in Teej Milan program organized by Chandigarh Social Board. Prepared a play on female feticide and presented before all students of the school. World Health Day celebration school. Mindspark 1 an inter-school GK competition. Mindspark 2 next. Mindspark 3 next year. Every year we kept on sending GK questions to students, and the students were made to participate in a GK quiz contest after 6 months. Painting competition on Beti Bachao, gave dance coaching to my students, slogan writing, psychology, play on blood donation, morning assemblies, participated in group song, presented pledge in morning assemblies, motivated my students to read and enhance their GK. My students always won so many GK prizes in our school as well as schools. International Yoga Day celebrated every year. Rallies to make people aware about cleanliness and hygiene. Arrangements for PM action. Quiz on online quiz. Blood donation camp. Motivational speeches. Cluster level GK quiz organized by Education Department. Pledge to students against corruption. Visit to Science City Murtala. Participated in innovative conference for Tri-City on Digital India. So many sports activities I have organized and conducted. Paint my hand activity for primary students. This was part of my notice board. Represented Chandigarh in national level workshop at Hyderabad. Painting competition in Fit India. Diwali Feet. Play on importance of education. Play on the friendship saga of Krishna and Sudama. Celebrating Labor Day and honoring Group D employees, which all Group D employees feel motivated. Organize talent hunt activities at GHS 3. Talent hunt activities in which CWS and students were also motivated to perform. Life Insurance Corporation celebrated their Diamond Jubilee celebrations with the students of the school. Organized a GK occasion. Making, Rakhi making competition. So many competitions I have organized in my school. Pasted GK questions for the students on the school's notice board. Students used to copy free periods. Mehndi competition to develop so many skills under Nai Talim project of MD. Janmashtami celebrations at school. Students for GK quiz. Visit to Chhatbir Zoo with students of the school. Play on freedom to girl child. An annual function at school. Organized essay writing competition and on the topic women. Organized painting competition to say, on the theme say no hackers. My e-content lesson, which was viewed by His Excellency Administrator Shri Shivraj Patil, celebrated Sadbhavna. There are of activities that I have proposed. Yoga Day, function of schools, compared state in different functions in my school as well as in outside organizations. This way, that I, along with teaching my students, conduct so many curricular activities in the so that the students develop their all-round personalities